PGTRB English Unit 1ல Prologue to the Canterbury Tales சாசரோடது. சாசர் lived in 1340 to 1400. Chaucer lived during the reigns of Edward III, Richard II and Henry IV. Which of the following was the closest contemporary of Chaucer? William Langland. Who called Chaucer the father of English poetry? Dryden. Who described Chaucer as the belle of English undefiled? Spenser. With Chaucer is born our real poetry. Who holds this view? Matthew Arnold. Chaucer found his native tongue a dialect and left it a language. Who makes this observation? Lewis. Chaucer is the earliest of the great moderns. Who holds this view? Matthew Arnold. If Chaucer is the father of English poetry, he is grandfather of the English novel. Who makes this remark? G.K. Chesterton. Who says about Chaucer's characters, "Here is God's plenty"? Dryden. In which month did Chaucer's pilgrims go on their pilgrimage? April. How many pilgrims in Chaucer's contemporary tales are going on the pilgrimage? 29. How many pilgrims in the prologue to the Canterbury Tales represents the knighthood class? 3. How many ecclesiastical characters are portrayed in the prologue? 8. How many women characters figure in the prologue to the Canterbury Tales? 3. It is believed that the host at the inn was a real man. What is the name of the host? Harry Bailey. What is the name of the inn where the pilgrims assemble for the night? Tabard Inn. To which shrine are the pilgrims going? Shrine of Saint Thomas a Becket at Canterbury. One of the tales in Chaucer's Canterbury Tales is in prose. Which of the following? The Parson's Tale. One of the patriots in the prologue is that of the wife of Bath. What is Bath? The name of the town to which she belonged. He was a fresh as the mouth of May. This line occurs in the prologue. Whom does this line refer to? Squire. Which of the poets wrote a famous poem mourning the death of Chaucer? Acclive in the Garnale of Princes. Chaucer was not indebted for his sources to one of the following. Identify him. Homer. In which tale of Chaucer a daughter is killed by her father? The Physician Tale. Chaucer's dash is based in part on a notable French sermon of Friar Lawrence. Person's Tale. Who has been called the morning star of the Renaissance? Chaucer. Which work of Chaucer was an allegory on the death of Blanche, the wife of his patron? The Book of Duchess. Which of Chaucer's work has the Trojan War as its background? Troilus and Cressida. He found English a dialect and left it language. Here he stands for Geoffrey Chaucer. Which work of Chaucer bears a close resemblance to Dante's Divine Comedy, The House of Fame? In which work of Chaucer has first used the heroic couplet, The Legend of Good Woman? Which work of Chaucer entitled him to calm of being called the father of English poetry? The Canterbury Tales. The wife of Bath was deaf. In Nun's praised tale, the poor widow had dash sons. 3. In the prologue, which character is found of hunting and riding? Monk. Which of Chaucer works celebrates Saint Valentine Days? The Parliament of Fowls. Troilus and Cressida is written by Chaucer. The verse of Canterbury Tales consist of rhymed couples. The 100 Years' War fought between England and France. Beowulf is the most important Anglo-Saxon literary work. Is an epic. In which century did Norman conquest take place? 11th century. The War of Roses figures in the work of Shakespeare. The morning star of the Reformation, John Wycliffe. How many pilgrims in the prologue to Canterbury Tales represents the military professions? 3. How many ecclesiastical characters are portrayed in the prologue? 8. Which of the four chief dialects that flourished in the pre-Chaucerian period became standard English in Chaucer time? The East Midland. He found English a dialect and left it a language, said by Lewis. Which of the poem of Chaucer is considered the first novel in English? Troilus and Cressida. There is something common between Boccaccio's Philostrato and Chaucer's Troilus and Cressida. Which of the tales of Chaucer deals with the chivalric romance of Plasmon and Arcite? The Night Tale. Chaucer was called the earliest of the great modern, the morning star of Renaissance. Who initiates these remarks? Albert. Which of the works of Chaucer presents a picture of a strong, united nation? Canterbury Tales. How many tales to be told by the pilgrimage? 4. Where is the tomb of saints situated? Canterbury. Amar vincit omnia in Chaucer's prologue, which means love conquer all. Which of the tales is in prose? The Parson Tale, which is known as the connecting link between Chaucer and Spenser. Thomas Sackville. Who is the Chaucerian? Alexander Barclay. Which work of the Scottish Chaucerian imitates Chaucer's House of Fame? Douglas, The Place of Honour. Caxton Printing Press was set up in 1476. Which is the first book in English in poetic prose? Marty D. Arthur. Which work is considered to be the true prologue to the Renaissance? Moore Utopia. Chaucer wrote Romance of the Rose under the influence of D. Loris and D. Mune, which war resulted in bringing Tudor rule England, the War of Roses. The Travel of Sir John Mandeville is believed to be the English translation of a certain French writer named as Jean de Bourgogne, who introduced the heroic couplet into English. Chaucer, who is referred to as fusion tonic. Knight. Madame Eglantine, known as Prioress. Father of English poetry is Chaucer, who is Hubbard Frere, who is Epicurus' son Franklin. Chaucer's period medicine is connected with astronomy. First tale in the Canterbury Tales, The Night Tale. 29 pilgrims came to Tabardine at early in the morning. How many battles are fought by night? 15. The name of the nun? Madame Eglantine. The nun speaks French fluently. The young squire is the son of the knight. The yeoman attended on whom? The knight. Dash is found of hunting? The monk. A sailor appears in the prologue to Canterbury Tale. The sailor's ship name was Madeline. Deaf person in this tale, wife of birth. Dash times wife of birth married 5 times. Prose tales, Parson Tale and Melibus Tale. The tales said by Chaucer. The tale of Sir Thopas, the tale of Melibee. The longest tale, Parson Tale. The shortest tale, Yeoman Tale. Parson's brother, Ploughman. Dash always rode last in the group of pilgrims. Reeve. The pilgrims started their journey at morning. Chaucer was not any sense for a poet of a people, said by Hudson. The completed tales in the Canterbury Tales, 24 stories. The Legend of Good Woman, it is in heroic couplets. The Book of Duchess, Ottawa Rima. Trailus and Cressida, Rhyme Royal. Who tell to proposed for every pilgrims to say two stories. The host. Who should oppose the conditions opposed? Nobody. The earliest of the great moderns, Albert. For what purpose the pilgrims are going to Canterbury? To worship of Saint Thomas Becket. What does squire wear? Embroidery cloths with flowers. Dash as folk beard the merchant. Dash social classes Chaucer write all levels of society, nobility, clergy, middle class, and peasants. Chaucer's profession is civil servants. His father, John Chaucer, his profession is wine merchant. Works of Chaucer was classified into three periods: French period, Italian period, English period. For which tale is a romance, a story of knights. Dash are most richly attired, wife of birth, squire, monk, physician, franklin. Dash tales take place in the Orient. The man of law's tale and squire's tale, who carries a brooch with Latin words, love conquers all, the prayers. Dash said that Chaucer lacks of high seriousness. Matthew Arnold. Dash says of Chaucer, he will be read far more generally than he is read now. Matthew Arnold. Who called Chaucer as a perpetual fountain of good sense? Matthew Arnold. Who called Chaucer as the father of splendid English poetry? Matthew Arnold. Who said Chaucer must have been a man of most wonderful comprehensive soul? Dryden. Who criticized Canterbury Tales as portrait gallery? Dryden. Who says of Chaucer, here is God's plenty? Dryden. Dash time of year does the pilgrimage take place? In the height of spring. The Clerk of Oxford had 20 books, which were written by Aristotle. Dash is Mrs. Sweetbriar, Madame Eglantine. Unfinished Tales of Canterbury Tales, The Cook's Tale and Squire's Tale. How many lines are there in the Canterbury Tales? As 858 lines. The version of Muslims of Christians takes place in the story of Dash, the man of law's tale, who had ulcer on his face, the cook. Which tales are about the patient suffering of woman? The man of law's tale, the clerk's tale, the physician's tale. Dash tale is about a talking falcon, the squire's tale. Which characters are connected to the church? The friars, the monk, the friar, the summoner, and the pardoner. Thank you.